A simple but effective way to run a macro is with the help of form controls and specifically buttons. How can you do that? You place a button on the ribbon and then assign a macro to it. When the button is clicked, the macro is executed. The most common use of macros is in navigation. In the following example, you'll create a quick and easy way to see the same data on different charts. In this worksheet, I have a data table with product sales from the year 2010 to the year 2014. Also, I have a clustered column on the right below the data table. You'll create two macros, one for column chart and one for the bar chart. Let's get started. Press this button to start recording. Name it Chart 1 and store it in this workbook. Nice! Highlight the chart. Now go to the Design tab and click on Change Chart Type. Select Column Chart and OK. Stop recording the macro. Let's do the same steps for the second macro and start recording again. Name it to Chart 2 and store it in this workbook. Highlight the chart, go to the Design tab, and click on Change Chart Type. Select the bar chart and OK. Stop recording the macro. The final step is to design our buttons. On the Developer tab, click the Insert command. In the drop-down list that appears, select the button Form Control. When you drop the button control on your spreadsheet, the Assign Macro dialog box appears. Select the macro Chart 1 and then click OK. Let's do the same for the second button. Great! If you want, you can do some formatting, like adding text to the buttons. Test them. As you can see, they work great. Recording specific actions enable you to manage risk because your users will interact with your reports in a method you've developed and tested. So we managed to automate simple reporting tasks using macros and buttons.